Hennessy, the Texas-based hypercar manufacturer and high-performance vehicle creator, has unveiled a new, lighter-weight, track-focused version of the Hennessy Venom F5 that has been comprehensively re-engineered for increased agility, uncompromised handling, and high downforce. The new Venom F5 Revolution Coupe is an apex predator on a racing circuit. It is the most powerful and visceral pure combustion hypercar in the world. The Venom F5 Revolution Coupe is based on the Hennessy Venom F5 Coupe. The two share nearly identical DNA, yet distinguishing the Revolution Coupe from its sibling are its comprehensively reworked aerodynamics, suspension, engine cooling, and digital telemetry. The engineering team also focused on reducing mass. Thanks to a systematic focus on weight reduction, the Racehone model tips the scales below 3,000 pounds. It is the lightest Venom F5 model. Honed by Chief Engineer John Heinrock at Heinrici, the Revolution capitalizes on every bit of his 38 years of performance car development with GM and his exemplary racing career. Heinrici has more than 240 professional races under his belt, including 35 grueling 24-hour races and multiple race championship wins. He also holds 3 FIA speed records and has over 1,000 laps of the Nürburgring to his name. John Heinrock at Heinrici, Chief Engineer: I led engineering on some of the most extreme cars to come out of GM, including the Corvette Z06 and Cadillac CT-SV, but nothing compares to designing, developing, and refining a race car for the road like the Venom F5 Revolution. From the outset, we designed the Venom F5 hypercar to be ultralight and monstrously powerful, with dynamics to match. So, taking these ingredients and adding track-focused aerodynamics, suspension, and gearing, enabled us to create a machine that is the ultimate visceral and emotional driving experience. Mirroring all other Venom F5 models, mid-mounted in the carbon fiber monocoque chassis is Hennessy's celebrated twin-turbocharged, 6.6-liter, Fury V8 engine rated at an astonishing 1,817 bhp. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a robust automated single-clutch gearbox calibrated for competitive use. With such low mass, the Hennessy Venom F5 Revolution Coupe promises phenomenal acceleration. Carbon ceramic brakes are fitted as standard and feature Moody piston calipers, ensuring fade-free stopping power on the road or circuit. Most visible to those checking out the Revolution Coupe is its full-width rear-mounted carbon fiber wing. The adjustable appendage, that allows the owner to adjust the angle of attack through a range of degrees, is fitted with end plates that stop the high-pressure air on top of the wing from spilling underneath, increasing downforce without extending the width of the wing. The end plates also generate vortexes that guide airflow and improve aerodynamics and stability. As a result, the rear wing delivers more than 800 pounds of downforce at 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, and over 1,400 pounds of downforce at 249 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour. A significantly larger front splitter, crafted from carbon fiber, complements the rear-mounted wing and rear diffuser. The front splitter prevents air from flowing under the F5 Revolution Coupe, which creates a low-pressure vortex beneath the vehicle, aiding downforce. At the same time, the extended rear diffuser guides air out from the hypercar's smooth underbelly. Dive planes, positioned on the front fascia in front of the wheels, aggressively channel airflow to shift the aerodynamic balance forward, adding grip to improve turn-in. In addition, the Revolution features a new roof-mounted central air scoop that delivers fresh cool air to the F5's engine bay, which effectively helps lower component temperatures. The double wishbone suspension, with more aggressive alignment settings, is fitted with adjustable dampers that may be calibrated trackside with simple tools, thus optimizing the suspension system for the particular road course, racing circuit, or track. In addition, new forged alloy wheels present a larger contact patch for improved cornering grip and enhanced braking. Lastly, Venom F5 Revolution owners are offered a digital onboard track telemetry system capable of measuring an array of data points. These include lap times, splits, cornering G-forces, and more. The system allows the driver to monitor the telemetry in real time, or the data may be saved for later analysis or archiving. John Hennessy, company founder and CEO. The new Venom F5 Revolution Coupe combines our outstanding 1,817 bhp V8 Fury combustion engine with our lightest and most capable chassis. The hypercar, which is astoundingly fast, is at home on a racing circuit where utmost handling is paramount. It offers the nimbleness of a fighter jet, yet with a power plant like a Saturn V rocket. The Revolution Coupe is the third model to join the Venom F5 family. Each of the 1,817 bhp variants shares the same decathlete mission: uncompromised acceleration, braking, and handling, yet all have been individually engineered for a specific mission. The F5 Coupe targets ultimate top speed, while the open-roof F5 Roadster delivers the most visceral open-air experience. The new F5 Revolution Coupe dials track performance to an entirely new level. The Hennessy Venom F5 Revolution Coupe will make its global public debut at the Miami Motorcar Cavalcade Concours d'Elegance on January 15, 2023. Priced at $2.7 million and limited to just 24 units, exclusivity is a given. In advance of the official release, many of the Revolution models have already been sold to passionate hypercar fans.